Good morning. Our 12th experiment is hashing. So here collision resolution techniques are comes under four categories. The first one is separate chaining, open addressing, rehashing, extendable hashing. Okay. Here under open addressing we have two types, linear probing and quadratic probing. So here we are going to see about open addressing technique, collision resolution technique. For that you have to open the terminal window. For typing the program you have to open the text editor by using the command gedit. Then hashing.c is a program name. In text editor window type the program here. After that save it and close it. Then compile the program by using the command gcc -o. Then executable file name is hashing. Then program name hashing.c. Run the program by /hashing. Okay. So here it's asking the enter the size of the hash table. Here I put the size of the hash table is 10. Enter the total number of elements as 8. After that you have to enter the elements one by one. So the first element is 37. Second element is 90. Next element is 55. Next one 22. Next one 11. Next one 17. Next one 49. And then 8th element is 87. Okay, so after that we have a two choice, linear probing and quadratic probing. These two are comes under open addressing collision resolution technique. Okay, here I give the choice 1. Okay, so here I am producing the linear probing output. Okay, let's see how the output is come. Okay, so linear probing, our hash table size is 10. The size of the table is 10. So see the first element is 37. Okay, first element is 37. So it check 37 mod 10. Okay, so the output is 7. So 37 is placed at 7th index in the hash table. Then the second element is 90. So 90 mod 10 means index is remainder is 0. Okay, so it placed at 0th index. Next one 33. 33 mod 10 means next one 55. Sorry, 55 mod 10 means 5. So in at index 5 it placed. Okay, 55 is placed at index 5. The next one 22. 22 mod 10 means 2. Okay, so it's placed at index 2. The next one 11. 11 mod 10 means the output is 1. So it placed at index 1. The next element is 17. 17 mod 10 means 7. Okay, 7 means the here already the element is already the index 7 having the element 37. So it checks the next available free location. Then it check the next location 8. 8 is now free. So at index 8 the 17 is located. Then after that 49. 49 mod 10 means the remainder value is 9. Okay, so it placed at index position 9 in hash table. And the last element is 87. 87 mod 10 means here the remainder value is 7. Mod 10 means here also the remainder value is 7. So it's check the next free available location. Okay, so it's check 8 is free. No, 8 is having some value. Okay, then it check the 9th location. 9 also having some value. Then it checks move to the forward 0. 0 having a value. Then 1 also having the value. Then 2 also having the value. Then the 3 is now free. Okay, so it's placed on at the location 3. Okay, so 87 is placed at the location 3. Then the next open addressing method is quadratic probing method. For doing this you have to give the choice 2. The second one's output is here first element is 37. So 37 mod 10 means it placed at 7th index. The next element is 90. 90 mod 10 means placed at 0th index. So 55, third element is 55. 55 mod 10 means the remainder value is 5. So it placed at 5th index in a hash table. The next one 22. 22 mod 10 means remainder value is 2. So it placed at second index position. The next one is 11. 11 mod 10 means remainder value is 1. So it placed at index position 1. Then 17. 17 mod 10 means here the remainder value is 7. So here the quadratic probing using a formula hash of key equal to hash of key plus I squared mod m. Here I represent the index position and m represent the size of the hash table. So you put the i's value from the starting. So first you put 0. 0 means the output is 7. 7 is already occupied by an element 37. So put the value for I for 1. Put the value 1 for I. Okay. So I squared means 1. So here the answer is 8. 8th location is now free. So the element is placed at the 8th location. Okay. See here. See our output. So at 8th index the element 17 is placed. Okay, the next element is 49. 49 is divided by 10 means the remainder value is 9. So it's placed at 9th index. Then 87, the last element is 87. So 87 divided by 10 means again the remainder is 7. Okay, so in quadratic probing method use the formula hash of key equal to hash of key plus I squared mod m. Okay, use the same formula. So here you check hash of key 87 mod plus I squared. First you put 0 squared. 0 squared means the output is 7. So this one is already occupied. Then next you put the I squared value equal to 1. 1 means the answer is 8. 8 is already occupied. Okay. The next one put the I squared value. I value is 2. Okay. Here the answer is 1. 1 is also already occupied. Then you put I squared value is 3. 3 means the answer is 6. Okay. So sixth location is now free. Okay. So then you have to move the element 6 position ahead. Okay, move the table 6 position ahead and place the element. So 6 position ahead means move 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 6. Okay, so now you have to place the element at the 6th position. So 87 is placed. Okay, already we are in 17. From 17 you have to move 6 position ahead. So 9, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so at position 3 you have to place the element 87. Okay, so this is a quadratic probing method. So these two are the collision resolution techniques. Thank you.